It was really nice experience, and actually I was contacted by National Commit because I'm already in one TC group 124 smart technology, because I'm developing smart technology, and as an expert in 124 they said me you should join also this young professional experience. I think the workshop was a nice experience because give us the structure of IEC, and give the possibility to learn also how we need to be informed in our career about these standards. So how we need to bring this knowledge also in our field, and also how we can improve ourselves for future. I think it's a nice experience because it's a sharing of knowledge with other country, so you can learn how other country technically has an experience in your field, that in my case is smart technology. And also sometimes it's also collaboration, so you can bring collaboration with different countries, and I think it's a nice opportunity also for networking.